The problem, people with special needs in wheelchairs are at times unable to use the regular furniture like the dining table for their regular meals. The solution to this is in front of you an adjustable table on casters. This can be used even while the patient is in bed or on a wheelchair, and the height is adjusted using these knobs at the side. So you just loosen these and the table comes to the regular level. You can adjust it higher if required. Another solution which is useful is a stand for an iPad or a book. This is a very stable stand and very easily you can use it for placing an iPad. The iPad, once placed on it, does not move, so it can be used easily. The next solution is a keyboard stand. It is in this shape, and all you have to do is place it on a table, and the keyboard fits easily, and it is slightly raised, so it is very easy for people with special needs to use this keyboard while using the computer.
BreakFreeSolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.